Hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Garho. Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Garho. If you're new to this channel, welcome. If you are not new to this channel, welcome back. I make review videos about basically kind of random stuff in my house and also lifestyle videos. So if either of those things interest you, definitely consider subscribing and hitting that notification button so you're updated on when I make new posts. And also if you could smash that like button, it really does help the YouTube algorithm and that would be great. So in any case, let's get started with the video. I'm going to be doing today a review on Samorga bag inserts. Now Samorga inserts, they started in 2010. The whole concept of the Samorga insert was that Sam, the owner of this Korean bag insert brand, she had a Speedy bag, and Speedy bags are just kind of this very unstructured bag that's kind of like a black hole when you kind of throw your stuff inside and you can't really find anything that's in there and you kind of have to dig around. So what she decided to do was make a felt bag insert, felt because it's nice and soft and it's pliable, with enough support, but also soft enough that it doesn't kind of make sharp edges in the bag either, it just kind of supports it. So she made a bag insert so that it gave support and also gave really great kind of little pockets and little odds and ends to give the bag a little bit more utility. And then so I was like, you know what, that sounds amazing, because I also have a floppy bag that could use a little bit more support and have a little bit more utility, and that is this bag. This is the Louis Vuitton toiletry bag. And especially this, I've been seeing it a bit more often on YouTube. So I was like, oh, well, you know what? I've barely used this bag, and one of the reasons why is exactly that. Just kind of this like one big floppy hole with no structure, and I feel that one of the main reasons why I haven't been using it is because it doesn't have that structure, it doesn't have that utility, it's not as versatile as I hoped it would be. So I thought, you know, why not try out this Samorga bag insert? So here we go. So let's go ahead and look at and check out the unboxing video of the Samorga bag insert. Hey there, so I am unboxing the Samorga insert that I recently purchased. So here we go. So starting off, comes in this cute little cleanly pouch. And let's open it up here. And yet it says wash your hands, which is definitely something we should all be doing, staying safe. Has a nice little, there we go. So first off, always, I like to start with the branding. So the only branding is on the outer right edge, right there. The stitching quality is quite nice, really sturdy. The quality is really good. The stitching is really nice. You can see that all the way through. Stitching on the sides. Stitching on the front. Stitching on the side. No, stitching, a little stitching on the very bottom to add a little bit of structure. So there are a few little insert pockets here. There is one large main compartment, two small pockets in here, and then one large insert in here. Gives little instructions here. It says, do not wring, dry, you should dry clean, don't bleach, and you may iron. don't know if you can see that. There you go. 100% polyester, wipes off spills immediately, made in Korea. And then overall, structure-wise, I think it's really, really good. I'm very much looking forward to using this guy. I think it's going to go in very well with the 25 Louis Vuitton Toiletry pouch that I bought ages ago. So let's kind of bring that out and see how that looks. So here we go. So here's the pouch. So this pouch, pretty basic. It's a little old, but the zipper, so let's look at the logos. So the logo, I damaged it a little bit there with a little bit of, I'm not even sure what that is. And then it's one piece, so it starts off upright and then continues to be upside down. So one side's upside down, one side is right side up. The stitching again is pretty seamless. I don't even think you can really see it that well. It's pretty minimal, but also quite sturdy. It's just one big pocket. So I've had this for probably about 5 years. The only one thing that I really don't really understand why this is happening, but if you can see here, it's puckering right there. And I've maybe used this like 4 or 5 times, usually when I travel. So I don't know why that's happening, but especially with this insert, it's definitely won't be visible anymore. So that's pretty good. So overall, pretty happy with this guy. I haven't really used it as much, so I'm hoping with this new insert, it's going to give it a bit of structure, because you can see here, not a lot of structure. Obviously there's nothing inside, but it's still like kind of a little floppy. So let's go ahead and insert this. So it fits really, really, really snugly. Fits really nicely. I'm already kind of in love with it now. You can see there's a lot more structure. Before, without it, you saw it was kind of sunken right there, but now, without me really doing anything, even if I pinch it, it kind of opens back up. Gives it a lot more structure with just the insert. And then now with this insert, it's like an actual bag that I can use and kind of organize things so things don't just kind of flop around inside. I'll definitely do a, try to fit some things in here as well. So that was the unboxing portion. Again, really, really great insert. I'm really excited about using it. I'm definitely gonna be using this probably still more so for travel, but just on the day-to-day, if I'm gonna go out for a run and like go to the movie theater or something, I think it's a really, really great kind of thing to bring with you. And what I like about this thing is it's pretty unisex, I think. So it's a great bag for everyone. Overall kind of specs, measurement-wise, this is 10 by 8 by 2. So not huge, but not small either, and it can fit quite a bit, especially all your essentials that you need for the day. If you're gonna go out to brunch or especially, I mean, I again use it for travel when I'm waiting online, just putting all my all the important documents in here, my passport, my ticket, all that jazz goes really, really nice in here and kind of like look like a little fancy traveler. So that's also really nice. And of course you're not going to check this, and so it'll always be with you, so less likelihood of losing it. So yeah, that's kind of how I would use it. So thanks again, and I hope you liked this. I hope you liked this video. If let me know if you have any Samorga bag inserts. If there are other inserts that you think are also quite nice. Samorga definitely takes pride in being the first kind of felt insert luxury bag insert makers. So if there are other brands that you think you like or are really, really nice, definitely comment down below. Let me know. Let me know if you also have a Samorga bag insert and what you think of them. I'm so far loving it, even though I've only just got it. But just kind of first glance, the quality, everything, I know that this bag will get a lot more love. So thanks again for watching, and I will see you next time.